before Chantal turns on you. So we'll just sit back and watch. So you can defend her all you want, but we all know Chantal doesn't have luck with people. Let's just say that she's
longevity.
Not loyal. Let me put it that way. Yeah, eventually your time will come, and especially if you continue to call Milky cute, pretty, or whatever you said about her, or if you say niceties about any other reaction channel, your overlord will turn against you. Don't you know you're not supposed to do those things?
They will realize that the person they're talking about is Dylan, just like they do, and you're human too.
Am I? I don't know.
Are y'all saying I'm doing this to make money? No, sadly mistaken. You're saying I'm doing it for a following or to start a channel. No. I have done YouTube before in my time. If I really wanted to make a channel,
Really?
I could.
Excuse me, what type of YouTube channel did you have? I'm curious. Or was it OS? Too bad you are now.
You inserted yourself.
The dome, so you're a part of it now, whether you want to or not. You shouldn't have posted.
Because that's tough. If you always want to hate me, but
I don't hate you.
You're doing it. I don't know what lies you're going to make up about me next, but that's on you. You have to live with it with your soul. And like I said, sorry I look so old and haggard and sick.
Oh, shut up.
Literally knocking on death's door, and the medication I'm on, I don't even recognize myself.
You don't look like you're knocking on death's door. You look perfectly fine to me. I don't know, the first video and this video, it's a fishing expedition for me. Stop it. You look just as thirsty as Chantal.
There's fish.
But go ahead, make fun.
I think funny term, thirsty.
I will just be a distant half of your story. The woman dead in the ground, okay? So, all you haters, please realize this is one, and you are talking to a human that has a soul and feelings. That's all. Just
Oh, shut up.
do something kind today. Tell something.
Shut up.
And it will come back to you.